Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at GJ, EU and AUD USD from yesterday's session, and also looking forward in today's pre-London, London and New York session. I just want to start off by saying if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe, like the video if you like the content so I can keep creating more. Also down below there'll be links to my Twitch stream, which you'll be able to see me live trade on Twitch. I stream Monday to Friday, London session to New York session, and also we have the Twitter and the Discord down below if you want to join those and become part of the community. With that being said, jump into the video. Looking at GJ yesterday, we can see here, so this was yesterday. You can see that price kind of played around a little bit. I was looking for some shorts below this support here, so you can see price here made a support and then also respected that support during yesterday's pre-London Asian session, and then we broke below, and I was looking for sales, but this candle come down and it didn't break the previous low until like the last few minutes of the 30-minute candle, so I didn't end up taking that trade. I was going to look for a top wick to be created on this candle and then a break of this previous low, but that didn't happen. So yeah, then obviously, you know, I was looking for sales because of the overall trend on GJ is, you know, currently in this short-term downtrend, boom, 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 boom. So I was only looking for sales, wasn't interested in any of these buys, and was potentially looking at, okay, if price starts pushing bullish and we start breaking some resistance and highs, then during today's London New York session I can look for continuation on the buys. But as you can see overnight, it kind of broke up, but then sold straight back off to the downside. And now we've kind of broken, retested this level. We rejected it, and now we're pushing down here during Asian session as we speak. This is currently 1:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, so nothing came about on GJ yesterday. Kind of consolidating a little bit during the past couple of days, and then obviously we had these moves, but this was late New York session, and this is 1:30 a.m. 2 a.m. in the morning for me, so I'm definitely not awake, especially not for this 5:30 a.m. Moving on to EUR USD. Again, price was consolidating. You can see all this consolidation in here for the last couple of days, and then again that same volume and move came in right at late New York, and I wasn't awake for this, of course. But again, I was looking for sells on EU yesterday, again to follow this overall trend, right? Looking for sales. So no sales came about yesterday for me. Price didn't really make too much of a support until this level here, and then it didn't come back down and break it. Sorry, going back to GJ. Looking forward on GJ today, I'm looking for sales again, right? Because we had this move up, but it was just straight invalidated. Straight away, like that bullish move just got completely destroyed all the way back down to the downside. So we know where, you know, the power lies. We know that price is now respecting this overall downtrend, right? It's tried to push up and it just got completely flattened straight back down to the downside. So as we're moving forward into pre-London, I'm looking for closures below the support, and I'm looking for sales here. We do have GDP coming up, which is some high impact news on the pound, which is at 5 o'clock Australian time, Australian Eastern Standard Time. So that is in around about 3.5 hours, right at pre-London. So we'll see what happens with that. That's something to keep an eye on. But yeah, today again on GJ looking for sales again, because we've now, you know, if this move continued to the upside and kind of sustained, right, and made like a high low here and continue to push up, then obviously I'll be looking for buys at that point, because we broke out of that downtrend. We're sustaining the uptrend. We're making higher lows. We're breaking highs, right? But now it just got completely flattened back down to the downside. So again, only looking for sales on GJ, and the same with EU. Looking for sales below this daily level, yesterday's daily low, which is around about you know, 0.96704. Looking for sales below this area on EU again, just to continue this downtrend, this short-term downtrend potentially, which is going to turn into a long-term downtrend. Who knows? And on AU, I've recently again added AU back to my inventory because yeah, I have a, I really do like trading AU, but it kind of moves similar to EU, so that's why I end up getting rid of it. But I'm going to focus on GJ and EU, and then, but just potentially something. You can see here I've got it under study, so this is my main pairs, GJ, EU. You can see over here I've got it under study, so I'm just going to be marking it up and seeing how it moves, just for some fun, like I'm not necessarily going to trade it too much, but sorry. But yeah, so you can see AU has now broke, right? EU down here is the previous daily low. We haven't even come close to it yet, but on AU we've broke it, and we're potentially looking to close below within the next 2 minutes. We'll see if it rejects it. But yeah, same thing on AU, looking for sales again, just to follow the trend. Did have this resistance level yesterday. It broke above that, and it kind of came up to, just spiked up into the 0.633 100 area, and completely got flattened again and rejected. So we're pushing down here during Asian session. But yeah, also some news coming up on the USD, PPI, and also FOMC minutes. Some two high impact news here, but they come out later tonight during late New York session. So we'll see what happens with that. But overall, yeah, yesterday's stream, things were a little bit slow on the charts, so not much really happened. I'm going to be live again, of course, tonight. I'm live Monday to Friday from 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Monday to Friday, unless obviously I can't make that, or I'm sick, or whatever. But yeah, I'll be live tonight on Twitch. Here's my channel, Callisto's Live. See, yeah, on my streams, and we can see yesterday's stream numbers. Decent numbers still, right? 3 hours. You can see the previous day, look, this was my best day so far. 18 unique chatters, 160 live views, 18 max views, 9 average views, which is really good, on 4 follows. So the stream's doing really well. Lots of different kind of traders. If you're new, if you're experienced, we all just hang out, talk about trading, share analysis, things like that. So if you're interested in that, definitely come check that out. Other than that, yeah, just looking at sales on all my pairs right now, just continuation sales. That's it. We can see that AU has closed below this daily level, just about, right? If we drag this level out here, you can see this is the kind of the top area of that, and then we have the bottom, which is this. You can see that being nice. So we have just about closed below there, but we have got 2 rejection wicks, and this one didn't break that previous low, respected it. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. If we sustain, if this level holds as resistance now and we continue down, or if it pops back up, right? This would be like a fake out kind of, it could potentially be a fake out for price to close back inside this level now, and then do a pullback, and then get ready to break down again during pre-London session, which does happen quite often. With that being said, you can see down here on the screen, right? We have how many reach affiliate. We're currently on 33 followers on Twitch, on the road to 50. So it's going good. I've only been streaming a couple of weeks now. Lots of support. Everyone's showing some amazing support in the Twitch channel. So yeah, I'm on the road to affiliate, almost there. So if you want to come over and help, support the channel, watch me live trade, share some analysis, you want to send some analysis in for us all to look at. People will send their charts through in the Discord channel. We've got a load this up quickly. We've got a Discord channel with a section charts for stream, so you can join the Discord channel, send your charts to the charts for stream section, and we will take a look at your analysis and things like that. We can discuss it on stream. So yeah, that is about it. Not much to talk about today. As I said, the markets over the last couple of days been very slow. There was bank holidays on the yen, on the USD, and also on the Canadian dollar. But now that those are over, I'm thinking that some volume is going to start coming into the market. We've already seen that late last night, right, during late New York session, and also a little bit here during Asian session today. On all pairs, right? We got some volume to the downside coming in here. Some strong bearish candle closes on GJ, and also this move to the downside here on AUD USD. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Nice short video. Nothing too much has happened over the last couple of days. I can show you my MT5 real quick for the month so far. Around about $800 profit. You can see right here around about $800 profit for the month so far. So yeah, it's going pretty good. It's going decent. As you can see, like small losses: $8, $44, $7, $73, $39, and then wins 100, 200, 90, 175, 184, 156, 54. So winners are always definitely more than the losses in most cases. So I'm able to, you can see this $300 withdrawal as well, and the 800 profit for the month so far. So I'm happy with that. And I'm just gonna watch over the next couple of days, see if we have some volume coming in. Like I said, we do have a lot of news coming up this week on USD, and also this one will be a massive one on USD. Inflation rate and core inflation rate, so that is definitely one to watch. So yeah, we should see some volume coming into the markets this week, which will be interesting. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to put it there. Thanks for watching, and I will be live tonight again, and also I'll be here tomorrow with another video breaking down tonight's session. If we, hopefully we can get some volume and some trades coming in. If not, I'll see you there anyway. Thanks for watching. Peace.